guys, look at this. Look at all this space, and you're telling me that you need the gym. You could do sprints down and back. If you don't want to do sprints, jog down, walk back, sprint down, walk back, jog down, run back. There's so many different combinations of workouts and exercises that you can do just with a field. You do not need the gym. For example, try this workout. Like I said, guys, if sprinting is too much for you, or if you're not quite there yet, nothing wrong at all with walking down, jogging back, or vice versa, jogging down, walking back. Or if you just want to walk down, walk back, do some jumping jacks when you get back, rest for maybe 30 seconds to a minute or however long you need to recover. Do that, guys. You don't need the gym to get in amazing shape, to burn fat, or anything. All this can be done outside. And like I said, guys, if you don't live near a field at all, go to an empty parking lot. Or if you want to, you can even go in your living room, jog in place or sprint in place like that real quick. You got to make it work for you, guys. Stop with the excuses. There's so many workouts that you can do at home with or without equipment, depending on what your goals are. Get it in, guys. There's always a way. If you do need some ideas on your workout or how to work out at home, I have several follow-along workouts on my website, jphomestrength.com. Check it out, get your workout on. Stop with the excuses. I'll catch y'all on the next one.